Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you step-by-step process to create a verified PayPal account for non-supported countries. I am creating this video by testing this method by myself for a decent period of time and I haven't faced a single problem. In the end I will also show you my PayPal account just to show you this method actually works. If you also wish to create a verified PayPal account, then keep watching this video. So check the link in the description to reach this page. Make sure the URL is exactly the same as here. Click on sign up for free. Choose a business account. Now provide your email address. Enter a strong password. Provide your first and last name. In business details, you can enter your full name. Here, select your country and enter your real number. Provide your address and city. You can skip these two fields. Click the box and click on this button. Select your business type as an individual. Select any of the services, it doesn't matter. Here you can write your first name. After that, click on continue. Provide your date of birth. Check this box and click on submit. Select any of these options. You can select all of these. You can select any of these. Now click on the third option. Click on the Home tab. That's it, we have successfully created our PayPal account. As you can see here, the default currency is selected as Euro, so let's change it to USD. For that, click on Balance. Set the USD as a primary currency. If we scroll a bit, then we can see a message like this. Just click on it and upload your ID. It doesn't matter if you are from a different country. I have already uploaded my ID on another account, so I'm not going to upload my ID here. Also, make sure to verify your email and phone number. After that, to make your account verified, you need to link your card and bank account. Here you can link any of your cards, whether that is a Visa or a MasterCard. But the main problem is here linking your bank account. As you can see here, you are required to provide your IBAN number. To solve this, I used a Payoneer bank account. Once you create your account in Payoneer, you'll get a USA bank account, but we need a Citibank account which is in Ireland. So to get this bank account, you have to contact Payoneer Live Support and request for a Citibank account of Ireland. Once they provide you the account, then you can enter the IBAN and connect to your bank account. After that, you'll receive a mail like this from PayPal which says your account is verified. During this process, Payoneer might ask you for your ID and address document, so make sure to provide the required document, and then they will provide you with a new receiving account which is the Citibank account. Now, as you can see here, this is my actual PayPal account created with the exact same method. With this account, I've completed at least 100 transactions. You can also see here I've linked the Citibank account and a MasterCard which is provided by Payoneer. This is all you need to do to create a verified PayPal account. I know this can be pretty difficult if you don't know what Payoneer is. If you face any problems, then make sure to comment or try to contact me on my Instagram handle and I'll try my best to help you out. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.